Choco time! Hey, you made it!
Yeah.
Wait, you just came as yourself?
Yeah.
Huh? That's an awfully realistic Halloween costume they have.
In case you're wondering, no. We are not giving you any chocolates. Bleeding, bleeding, pain, vast discomfort, pain, vast discomfort.
Dude? Are you okay? Oh, God! Huh? Hey, what's going on here? What's going on? I need to find a way to get out of here. Oh no, they're gonna break down the door eventually. There's only one idea I've got left. YOLO! Surprisingly enough, that worked. Don't know how it worked, but it worked. Huh? No. No! No! I'm not going to Brazil! I'm not going to Brazil!
Listen, I have got some very important things to tell you.
I'm not going to Brazil!
Stop it!
I'm not going to Brazil!
Shut up! Shut up! Anyway, I have got some very important things to tell you.
Okay, I'm listening.
So you may have noticed all those weird bird creatures. Well, recently I have been putting a lot of research into these strange occurrences.
Nice. Do you have like any sort of cure, perhaps?
No, I am still working on it. For now, I just need you to go out there and maybe take some of them out so I can do a little more research on them. So how about I give you a gun?
Frying pan.
Gun.
Frying pan.
Gun.
Frying pan.
Gun.
Frying pan.
Gun. You know what? How about we negotiate? How about we mix the two?
Me likey.
Just a moment. And done. Now, you go on out there.
Hey you. Get a load of this. Bedseed? Oh, wrong setting. Now get a load of this. Ha! Take that, you weird bird creature thing. And there's my ride. Oh no, I'm surrounded. There's too many of them. I can't fight them off. Betsy, go! Again? Don't know how that worked. It just did. Okay, I just gotta contemplate what's going on here. I just wanted to go trick-or-treating, and there's this weird bird thing outbreak. Well, I suppose I should just keep on going. Besides, didn't that plague doctor guy want me to go out and poach a few of those things for research? Well, better now than never. Oh, there's one. And it's, got a gun. I never knew that was that intelligent. Anyway, here goes. Haha, you have been bested by... Wait, plague doctor?
Why would you do this to me?
I'm so sorry, I really didn't know it was you.
Well, about those prototypes I was on about earlier, there should be one prototype. You must test it to see if it works. I haven't exactly tested it yet. It will have a few minute timer once activated. Just go set the prototype off.
Okay. I'll do my best. Weird plague doctor guy I only knew for like under half an hour. Alright, so let's see here. Must be this button. Alright, there we go. We've got it working. Oh no, not this again. Nope, nope, nope. Get away, get away. Ah, just stop chasing me already. I think they've left me. Really? These things can fly now? Well, they're beds, actually. What would I expect? A research lab. That's the perfect place to go. Wait, a dead end? Into a vat of acid? Oh no.
Car, mother... car!
Right on cue. No. No! 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 Car! 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 Car!
Huh? Wait, what happened here?
Wait, why are we in some sort of research lab? Wait, let me just look over this ledge real quick. Nope,
hey,
nope,
I'm down
I
here.
don't see
wait, do
anything.
not
I
notice me.
don't think there's
actually, I'm
anything
down
down
here.
there.
No,
If
don't
anybody
aim
were
here.
to fall down there, I'd
I'm
know.
about to flip somebody the bed.
Wait,
no
what
pun
does this
intended.
sign say?
Oh no. Oh.
Warning,
People,
this
I'm
platform
dying
is
down
not
here.
meant to hold more than 6 people. Well, I don't know what that's meant to mean.